Superb, very nice condotel. Value for money, position fabulous, friendly staff, handy for shopping, near to the international airport. Awesome, nice and clear and close to everything. Staff was extra friendly to me. Good position, easy to shop and have some food, beside the Greenbelt, the landmark, SM Makati. Friendly stuff. Will come again. Great customer service. We arrived and we found out that our suite was 2 single beds. They help us fix the problem really quick and easy. Thank you. BSA Tower Makati review. Outstanding service by the BSA Tower staff, even in the middle of the night. Good stay. My second time stay at BSA Tower. Perfect location, very accessible location. A++ for convenience at Makati. Great place for family. Lots of space. However, please BYO items if you are going to use kitchen utensils for more than 2 people. And if you want to use more than plates as in noodle bowls, BYO as well. Otherwise, friendly housekeeping staff and perfect for staycation near Greenbelt, Landmark, and Glorietta. Very much within walking distance of cafes, food restaurants, outside/inside the malls. You gotta grab a Uber though for other attractions as it's quite a ways from them. Excellent condotel. I wish there's a swimming pool access. That's the only lowdown at this place. Compared to the rest of the other condotel. Great place with friends, booked with friends to celebrate my birthday. The room is clean and organized. Within the heart of Ayala and near malls and food strips. Excellent. Not my first time staying. Very pleasant of 2-bedroom apartment. Always my choice. Perfect location. Halal food, the Persia Grill just few steps away. No hotel lobby where guest could chill, sat and spend time while waiting for transportation. Just stand and lean to the wall whole time. Good surprise. It's one of those places that surprise you, the good kind that is. Excellent, very good location and helpful staff. Satisfied and convenient near shopping complex and the room rates are reasonable. Location. Great value for money and perfect location in Makati. Been staying regularly every month for 2+ years. Backdoor entrance/exit not so convenient. But we can manage. Thumbs up.